Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is Kevelyn Jones here. As you can already see in that title, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful bob length butterfly locks. I'm going to be very detailed. In addition to showing you guys how to do the actual locks, I'm even going to show you guys how I part the hair, the tools that you need, and other helpful details. If you do not feel confident by the end of this video, you have my full on permission to drag me in the comments. But first, let me plug myself. Y'all should just go onto my Instagram and follow me at Kevelyn Jones. I post quality content on there as well. I post fun hair reels, and I also have a new one up right now, so you should definitely go check that out. But enough about me, let's get into the video. When it comes to supplies, these are the items that you will need. You can find all of these items at your nearest beauty supply store, literally one stop. As far as the brands, you do not have to get the same brands that you see here on the screen. Do not stress out about that. If you already have some of these items and you have different brands, that's fine. It'll all work out the same. Do not stress. One thing that's important are the rubber bands if you have longer hair, because it'll save your length, and I will show y'all how I utilize those rubber bands to save the length of your hair. And also the edge brush with the parting tool is clutch, so I highly recommend that. First, you're gonna start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair with absolutely no product. Your base is going to be these mini plaits that you see right here. As you can see, I just braided the root because who got time to braid all of that? But anyway, you're going to use the parting tool on the edge brush. It really helped with getting those straight parts. And of course, I used the edge control and the oil to oil the scalp once I was done. So as far as parting, it depends on how thick or thin the hair is. You might prefer more plaits or less, but this is just a template to start you off. I know some people get tripped up on where to start when it comes to parting, so this is just a detailed view of how I parted her hair, and hopefully this will be helpful to you when you do your own. Now let's get to the actual lock. All right, so her hair is longer than the desired length we're trying to get here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold her plait, and I'm going to put a rubber band around it to make it shorter. And now I'm going to put the crochet needle in the base of the plait. I'm going to twist the springy Afro hair so it can be easy for the crochet needle to catch, and then I'm going to put it right on through. Make sure that it is even as well. Also, I'm going to do the same exact thing with the WATERWAVE hair. Okay, so once you crochet the WATERWAVE hair, you are going to have 2 strands of WATERWAVE hair and 2 strands of the springy hair. So you're going to only take 1 strand of the WATERWAVE hair. That means half of the WATERWAVE hair, and you are going to wrap it tightly around the root. I only wrapped it like 4 to 5 times just to secure the root. And as you can see, I'm using my thumb to secure it. You want to wrap it very tightly at the root. And it's important not to skip this step because this is what gives this hairstyle a clean look. So now that my root is secure, I'm going to do what I call the lazy toss pull method. So this is the method that's going to create that butterfly lock loopy look. So what I'm doing is I'm literally lazily tossing it over and pulling like a few strands to create random loops. I do not personally do the little thumb loop method that people are doing because I feel like that's all too much work and you have to really think about when to do it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm getting more lazy as it goes because that's just, I feel like it's easier this way. It's less stressful this way. So I ran out of the WATERWAVE hair, so now I am securing it with the glue. It is still not at its desired length, so I'm now going to take the springy twist Afro hair, and I'm going to do the same lazy toss pull method with that. It's different hair, but it still blends in, so do not worry about that. And then you're going to keep measuring it until you get your desired look, and then you're going to wrap to secure the end, and then you're going to glue the end once you get to your desired length. And once you glue it, you're just gonna cut the extra off. And there are no worries because your natural hair is folded in the lock. And then you're just gonna repeat the same steps all over your head. So now that we're done with the hair, we're going to lightly apply the foam. Don't be too hard on this, just, lightly graze the foam on her hair. You don't want to mess up the pattern. And now you're going to spray your oil sheen. The foam and the oil sheen are really important when it comes to aftercare and keeping your hair looking fresh and nice. And now we are done. Y'all, aren't these so beautiful? Like, these locks are so bomb to me. Like, as soon as I saw these, I said, I have to try these. This is my second time doing this hairstyle, so I know if I can do this, you guys can do this too. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Y'all have a blessed day.